my fat pupper snores. She's not fat, she's fluffy. Yeah. She's not fat, she's fluffy, but she snores and it's annoying, seriously. I'm trying to go to bed. It's like, I don't even know how late it is, so I'm trying to go to bed and she snores. Well, bye. This was a short one because I just wanted to show you that she snores. Did you hear that? That was my pupper snoring.